Some kind of drive-by people are doing right now. A Plymouth Prowler. These roads are garbage.
There's a waterfall on either side.
US Bank Stadium. It looks like we got the hookup on a good spot to take some pictures.
And then that parking lot down there, we're gonna go there too.
Pretty sick. Do it for the gram. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. I mean, this is considered a park and recreational vehicle, isn't it?
Once we pass the street, then...
Alright, mission success.
Alright. I would put my car up there, but I think we got too much attention already.
Yeah.
Oh, they backed up on
Look at you breaking the law, you rebel. Well, now to the next spot.
I want to air down, but I'm afraid the roads aren't going to be good.
Roller coaster. Thought they were coming for us for a second. Oh, something's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so,
Your car, back.
okay, do we want one with AJ angled? I guess am I backing in there? Okay. Am I backing in there?
I think somebody died. Jesus, stay-at-home order is done, and this is what happens? And we're over here just trying to get some pictures. Well, hopefully whatever happened, or they're okay or something, because all of a sudden just started hearing sirens and more sirens and more sirens, and then there was fire trucks and ambulance and a bunch of police.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, I think he's locking the dam probably to lower the water level. Somebody probably fell into the river.
That's what I'm thinking, is somebody fell in. What's he?
He's like wanting to hitch a ride or something. There's a lot of standing water on the road right now. But we're almost out of it. Sucks too, because you don't have fender liner anymore, so.
I told you not to jinx it, and you freaking jinxed it. Oh, it's no downpouring.
You drove into it. It wasn't where we were at. It's your fault.
It's not my fault.
See? Now it's fine. Well, I think I found our next mod for the FRS. Some thick meat.
Like, what does that even go on? You know?
Oh, it's gonna go on this.
What's that?
We made it to the vehicle carnage car meet. He's all huddled up in the garage. Oh, considering the storm and the rain and everything else like that. Oh, hey. Isn't that Daniel? Or no? Maybe. Well, we're here now, getting the car livery put on. And we're actually at the luxury garage condos. Car's filthy. Your wheel looks like it's about 10 years old right now. I mean, they'll do anything for $400, I'll tell you that much. Hey, makes for good content. Exactly. Alright, now we're gonna do some videos. We are going to a pizza place to meet up with a big group of people that went on a cruise, and that's where they're all eating, so we're gonna go meet up with them. Hey, brother. Well, we're here and it looks like there's still plenty of people here, but time to get our pizza. So we learned you can't be a part of Chris's new car group, established, unless you're on air ride.
But guess what? I'm on air ride, so I fit in.
Yeah, we got to meet one of the members and his wife, and then ran into some people that we saw at Power Cruise with the RCF and the ISF, and she's actually planning on getting an R8 now, so that's pretty sick. But that concludes our day today as far as cars go. Now it's just a long drive up to Duluth, Minnesota for Memorial Day weekend. Catch you guys later. Well guys, I lied. We're not done for the day with the cars because we found a little local car meet up here in Duluth now.
Hey!
Hey!
How worried about like rocks are you? There's like one or two that
I'm
fly
on air ride now, so I can.
You gonna slide this?
Are you guys going on a cruise or something?
No, they're just doing donuts and stuff. And I was gonna say, your car looks badass. Just pull it right into the stall.
Oh, okay.
All right.
You want to?
Yeah,
So.
right into the stall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good to see you guys, by the way.
Yeah,
you too.
Right?
Fucking looks good.
We got it.
Oh man, I'm just excited.
I know, right? This is the first time it's like truly set out.
picks up speed quick.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'll be up on controller.
This is a every time we do this thing, please show up. So like, you guys are supposed to be here, right? We're like, yeah, we're supposed to be here. And then they're like, okay, cool, have fun, and then they leave.
Literally every
they're
time.
just they're just checking because like, there's people who aren't supposed to be here. That I mean, don't get me wrong, like I'm a full send kind of guy. But
Hey, Ben, if you do some donuts, they might come.
It's like I'm pretty sure those got the eco boost in it. Those will probably do some skids.
we asked him that last time. He goes, it doesn't burn up. And I was like, nice. That's all-wheel drive, so I'm not sure that he was right. But.
Yeah.
It circles around like
Yeah.
you can't do donuts.
Oh, they're ganging up on us. We got 3 of them now. See, Bemidji needs to step its game up. Got an RS, Evo, ST, Evo, Town and Country. Just kidding. I thought it was gonna be something exciting, like a tunnel.
Still exciting. We're going downhill in Duluth. Like literally.
Well, guys, now we are actually gonna officially end the night. We're at our hotel. We're gonna go park the car and then pick things up tomorrow. Less car stuff, but do some exploring. Change it up a little bit. See you guys.